Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Litentry or Lit. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this big falling wedge pattern that Litentry has formed on the weekly time frame chart, and right now it has also formed this symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame chart as well. And we will analyze that is there any possibility that Lit will break out the resistance of the triangle, or are we going to break down the support? But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to begin with this recent trade setup that I shared almost 3 days ago on 4th of August, when Litentry completed a harmonic bullish reversal setup, a Gardley setup, on the 2-hour time frame chart. And this was the idea. You can see it was just entered the buying zone. And by the way, before this, I shared this idea in the month of June 2022 for my members at the Patreon. And that was basically the idea for the short position when Litentry completed a bearish Gardley. This time, it completed a bullish Gardley move, and in the month of June it completed a bearish Gardley move on the 1-hour time frame chart. And this was our target zone, and this was our short position zone from 97.9 cents to $1.07, and our target zone was here at 85 cents, from 85 cents to 71.1 cents. Now after playing this chart, we can see that the price line moved down here, hit the target zone here, again moved up, and again moved down, and then we had another big dump. Now if we watch the current idea that I shared almost 3 days ago, and that was a bullish reversal Gardley, a bullish Gardley move on the 2-hour time frame chart, and this was the pattern. And you can see it was just entered the buying zone, and our buying zone was from 97 cents and goes to 91.5 cents, and our sell targets are from $1.04 and goes to $1.12. Now after playing this chart, you can see that the price line slightly moved more down inside this buying zone, and now it has pumped well, and so far it has rallied up to $1.06, and I'm expecting that this move can be bigger if Litentry will break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Now we are on the weekly time frame live chart, and you can see right now it is very close to hit this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, and it is moving in this pattern since after 1st of Feb 2021. And here we had a fake out, but recovered, re-entered the channel, and so far it is not able to break out this resistance. And at the same time, we also have a price level resistance here, very strong resistance at $1.15. You can see for the past several weeks it has been working as a resistance here, and before that it has been working as a support for 3 or 4 weeks. And after breaking out this resistance, almost at the same level, we also have the resistance of this falling wedge, and after that our next resistance level will be here at $2. And previously this level has been working as a resistance here and as a support here as well. And after that we will have the next major resistance here at $6. And by the way, before $6 we also have this resistance as well, that is approximately at $3.11, and you can see here it has been working as a support and here as a resistance as well. And then we will have the next major resistance at $6, and this can be our final target, that is at $12.50, and here we also have a very strong resistance as well. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, this was the weekly time frame, and right now we are looking at the daily time frame chart. Then here you can see that Litentry has also formed this down trend line resistance and this up trend line support as well, and you can see it is not breaking down this support and not breaking out this resistance as well, and it has formed this triangle, and you can see that the movement is getting more and more squeezed, so at any time it can break out or break down the support or resistance. Now if we switch back to the weekly time frame chart once again and watch this stochastic oscillator, then we can see when we were testing the support here, even we had a fake out for a while. At the same time, the stochastic was also showing us a bullish divergence, like the price line formed this low here. The next low was quite lower than the previous one. And if we take a look at the stochastic, then it formed this low here. And the next low is quite higher than the previous one. So the stochastic was forming higher low and the price line was forming lower lows, you can see here. So there was a very big bullish divergence, and we are reaching the resistance of this falling wedge with a very big bullish divergence. Therefore, there is a very high probability that it may break out this resistance of the triangle as well, and also this falling wedge pattern. Now, if we take a look at the target for this triangle, then our target can be after this breakout. For example, if it will break out from here, that will be approximately at $2.12, and in that situation it can easily break out this resistance of the triangle and this key resistance of $1.15 as well. So next few hours or days can be really very important for Litentry, and if we will have this breakout from this triangle, then we can expect this big move that will begin after this breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.